It is freezing in here today. So, while I'm just waiting on this torque converter stuff, I got some of the wiring done over here. I could mess with that, but I kind of want to get this back to the way it was, being dust free, and then get my list of crap that I got to order for the next week or two for working on both of these things. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all the hardware cleaned up for the 4BT for the Bentley, and you know, go on from there. Basically just get the hardware all cleaned up, get all the covers bolted on, try to get that thing back to just being cleaned up and secure. So I think all the hardware is up here, so let me get through it and we'll figure it out. My wife's gonna be pissed. I don't actually have a wife. So this is some Purple Power hot water. I'll be honest, I fucked up and didn't label any of the bags. So I kind of just dumped everything in the container I made. The Purple Power hot water and a little bit of dish soap. Just gonna let them soak a little bit, hum them around a little while, and whatever bolts look like this are gonna get replaced with something a little bit nicer, because I can't really use that. But what I was looking for the most part at this point are like the valve cover bolts, and they're all pretty natural, they're all raw, so I can use these. I'll hit them with a wire brush, up. So, I'll get back to you when they're all cleaned up and ready to go on. I guess they came out okay, but I'm gonna get these bin back up, and I have a gallon of camp fuel that I got for when I clean the injectors up. So I'm gonna get this shit soaking inside of some of the camp fuel as well, and that should take away a lot of this corrosion, all this nasty crap. While that stuff is soaking over there, I am going to attempt to break this turbo loose. It just wasn't really working out. I heated it up, couldn't get it off. The center section, I don't care about. It's pretty much dead for. So I saw this on video where someone took a bolt and basically wedged it between, and then they loosened the nut from the bolt, using the bolt to push apart the center section from the exhaust housing. So I'm going to try that. They were doing both sides equally. I'm ordering a brand new CHRA, so I don't care about what happens to this thing. What's up, everybody? Hey, I got a little bit of an update here. I got a hold of Brent Dempsey at Brent Dempsey Engineering, and he reached out to JW. After they had my flywheel, they measured the dimensions that it was built to versus what he had spec'd out, and they actually made the balloon too large on it. They couldn't actually give a reason as to why. It was just a mistake. So they built a new torque converter, and it's headed back my way. It was supposed to ship out yesterday, I believe. So hopefully I see that this weekend, maybe Monday. I'm in Pennsylvania, and it's coming up from Florida. So hopefully we can get that turbo 400 behind that RB motor, and finally get that thing installed. I still have to order my transfer case adapter. That is coming out of Australia through, I think it's Mark's 4-wheel drive parts. That's the name of it there. And got some updates on the Bentley that you'll see in this video. But I had to stop, and I ordered some specialty tools. A front main seal pusher, rear main seal pusher, and a installer for the crank, the sleeve for the front main seal. It has a groove in it, so I have to take care of that. And I ordered the rest of my parts as well, so a lot more updates coming soon. Apologies for being a little late with this video, but I'm going to try to get you guys a video every week.